Good afternoon, everyone. This video is just a simple and quick and easy to understand demonstration of the Odoo Attendances app. The Odoo Attendances app is a very nice tool, easy to use, easy to set up, and easy to configure to manage the attendances of your employees. Works as an online time clock and can also be used if you run, for example, an educational institution and you want to track your student attendances when they arrive in the morning and when they leave in the afternoon or the evening. Very useful for security purposes and tracking and the well-being of the students. So let's go ahead and open Odoo. I have Odoo open here. I have my database open on my screen, and you can see all of the different apps that my particular database uses here. And if I look down here on the bottom right, you'll see that I have an attendances app. So I simply click the attendances app, and I'm presented with this dialog of the today's or this week's or this month's summary of attendances. Makes it quite easy to do reporting and analysis of inbound and outbound employees or students. So in Attendances app, there is something that we call a kiosk mode. Kiosk mode is where you can set up the time clock physically anywhere within your premises with a simple screen allowing your students or your employees to log in, log out conveniently at either the entrances or the exits. So let's go ahead and open kiosk mode. And I'm presented with this dialog here. I can put my company's logo or my school logo here, just letting everyone know what system that they are logging into. I have an option to scan a barcode, or I also have the option, if someone leaves their student ID tag at home for whatever reason or forgotten it, we also have the ability to log in and clock attendance manually using a PIN code, which is here. But let's go back now and see the barcode function. I have set up a barcode reader here, and I also have my student ID tag on a lanyard with my barcode. So let's go ahead in the kiosk mode. Let's go ahead and scan in to this institution. When I scan in, I'm presented with this screen here, showing me the date and time of my login. If I now go back to my Odoo database and open the Attendances app, and open my institution summary of transactions or logins, you see here that I have one employee, that's myself for the purposes of this demo, that has logged in today at about 4:50 something. However, I still have not yet clocked out of the system. So let's go back to the kiosk mode. We will come back using our barcode scanner again. We will log out of the system here. We can also set the delay time on this thank you screen to whatever you need it to be. 1 second if you have a lot of students arriving in a very short amount of time, or 5, 10, 20 seconds, etc. It's all fully customizable. Now, if I go back to my database and I connect to my database, I go to my Attendances app. Now you can see that this employee has now clocked out of the system. So there are a lot of ways that we can use this system and configure this system, and we can also do a large amount of different reports and different analysis of our attendance. Makes it quite easy to use. easy to configure, easy to set up, and easy to run, and provides a good amount of data on your students arriving or your employees arriving and leaving for the afternoon. Thank you very much for watching this video.